We call these more emotional, sporty body types. This is something quite new in the market. I would say it's like a couple of years. And very few models at the market are playing at the moment there. And this came actually from the need to have something different. So if you go back in time, SUVs a few years ago, they were the big trend in the market. So when we talk about big trend, is more people look into that. But something that becomes mainstream, like the SUVs, becomes mainstream and more people now start to look for something new. What is the new trend that would bring them something different in their vehicle? And that's why we say that the more emotional crossovers are the ones that appeared in the last few years, and we expect in Kia that they will be taking over the market in the coming years to come. So if we look back in SUV growth, like maybe 10 years ago, what happened there is that the SUVs became more stylish. Before they were not stylish, they were just made for the purpose. So when they became more stylish, they were still bulky and more strong vehicles, but also styling became more important at the time. So they became more of a status icon also for the first movers into buying SUVs, which brought them to grow a lot. And the overall styling of a more strong car was highly appreciated. But as I said, now we have customers that want to see what is next. And what is next is the more sporty element on their vehicles. It is very important, much more important, I would say, for crossover customers, the design. So this is the key trigger that they would look to this type of car. They might be even ready to compromise some of the other elements like the interior space or the practicality, the boot space, because design is what is characterizing them and they feel that they have a good expression of themselves through the vehicle.